Hello everyone, this is Sarfraz from Aristotle Prep and we are looking at question 54 from the OG13 RC chapter. In case you haven't understood this passage properly, please watch the video for question 52 in which I discuss the passage in great detail. So the question says, which of the following best describes the relationship of the statement about large plants in lines 12 to 17 to the passage as a whole? So the lines are additionally large plants can spread compliance cost over a larger revenue base. On the other hand, some smaller plants may not even be subject to certain provisions. Okay. So what are these? These are basically examples of situations where the environmental regulation has not affected companies equally. So that is what these lines are doing. So what does it? How does it connect to the passage as a whole? Let's look at the options. A says it presents a hypothesis is wrong. There's no hypothesis. There are only examples in these lines. B says it highlights an opposition between two ideas. There are no two opposing ideas mentioned in the passage. C says it provides examples to support a claim made earlier in the passage. That's perfect. The claim is that environmental regulations don't affect all companies equally, and this line or these lines provide examples to support the same. C should be the answer. D says it exemplifies a misconception mentioned earlier. The misconception actually is that environmental regulations affect all companies equally. And this is not exemplifying that, this is exemplifying the opposite, that environmental regulations actually affect companies unequally. So D is a trap option, don't go with that. E says it draws an analogy between two situations described in the passage, absolutely irrelevant. So the answer should be C. It provides examples to support a claim made earlier in the passage.